Harvesting leafy greens. Leafy greens can be harvested several times once they come to maturity. Let me show you how to harvest correctly. Leafy greens grow by unfolding from the middle out. The youngest leaves will be in the center, and the oldest leaves around the outside. We included a sleeve in your welcome package for your convenience. Just pick the plant you plan to harvest from the garden and slide it in the sleeve. You can then move it around without spilling water. Harvest leafy greens by trimming the outside perimeter to make room for the younger leaves. Harvesting from the outside gives a consistent supply of fresh greens. Be sure to leave at least 1/3 of the leaves so the plant can regrow quickly. When you have picked all you need for a tasty meal, simply plug the plant back into your garden for it to continue to grow. You can harvest leafy greens several times before the taste changes. Make sure to top off the water and change the water in the tank regularly to make the leafy greens last as long as possible. Check the Garden Help Desk for more resources. For now, enjoy your tasty food.